Hey folks, it's Russ Fi. Today is Tuesday, November 19th, 2024. Hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to hop on here and shoot a quick video while I head over to the soap shop. I'm going to pack up some orders and then get back home and do some marketing, because I think hopefully today I'm going to start getting some of the stuff that I'm waiting for in the mail. But I just wanted to hop on here, tell you about joinruss.com. All right, this is my business card, joinruss.com. And this will take you over to my Linktree page, where you can see the opportunities that I am sharing and promoting going into the new year. All right, there's no better time than now, right before the holiday season and going into the new year, to start a home-based business. If this is what if you're looking to supplement or replace your income. All right, these three opportunities are very solid. Two of them are direct mail opportunities, meaning they're direct mail opportunities. So it's basically, you can mail postcards, flyers, you can use drop cards, you can do online marketing as well with them. I do a combination of both online and offline marketing. I have postcards here all the time that are always ready to go in the mailbox, and then I have a business card like I just showed you, joinruss.com, and I will leave these wherever I go, or if I'm talking to somebody and they want more information, I just hand them out my business card right here. You can get these on Vistaprint for very inexpensive. It's just a one-sided card. It's nothing fancy. It just has my name. It has an email address. People can reach me if they have questions. And then it takes them to my Linktree page, where they can contact me on Facebook. They can check out my YouTube channel. They can check out the 3 different opportunities that I'm promoting and sharing with others going into the new year. And it also has a link there where you can open up a high-yield savings account. All right, because if you're leaving your money in a bank, just a regular savings account in a bank, the banks are stealing from you every day, because you're not making anything. Unless you have, millions of dollars in the bank, your interest is not very good. And even with that kind of money in the bank, the interest rates are just horrible at a bank. So this, where I have on my page here, joinruss.com, it's a high yield savings account. I've been a member with them for years. They're very awesome. It's they're paying out over 4% right now, and there's some extras there if you go and join through my link, so check that out as well. But if you go to joinruss.com, you'll see the 3 opportunities that I'm a part of. 2 of them are direct mail. These are for people living in the United States only. You have to live in the United States, Puerto Rico, or the Virgin Islands to make these opportunities work. And the other opportunity is a very solid global opportunity. It's in over 150 different countries. So I just wanted I want to have something for everyone on there. Now, some people come in, they go to my page, they'll reach out, ask me questions, and they'll join all 3 opportunities and do something what I'm doing. And that's just getting a simple domain name. I forward it to my Linktree page, and I share this link with other people. All right, so some people do that. Some people come in and just join one of the opportunities and then later on join another. And then some people just want the global opportunity, because I have a lot of followers and stuff who do not live in the United States. And then, they jump on the global opportunity. But all 3 opportunities are very solid. I'm excited about doing them going into the new year. And it's just a simple way to share all 3. You just get a domain name, forward it to a Linktree page, and you can sign up for Linktree for free, and you can share all your opportunities right there on that page. So this is joinruss.com. Go and check it out. I hope you have a great rest of your day. I always appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos, and I look forward to seeing you in my next one. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.